And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Perfect. Perfect.
What's going on, man? What's going on? You playing?
Yeah, man, I'm playing.
Okay. Damn straight I'm gonna fucking play for you. You know better than that.
Man, I appreciate you, man. What you got running in here?
These are 6 18-inch Nightshade version 4.5. They're the prototypes of the 5.
Yeah.
They're on 3 saw 8Ks at a half ohm each.
Oh, yeah.
I'm feeding them about 7K a piece.
Oh, yeah. Shut up.
Give you a little bit of this, and then I got another one that's pretty violent I want to play for you.
This is DJ Rustical. Ice in my grill.
They get a lot of footage, man.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yes, but you know there's largest car audio band on the face of the earth, right?
Yeah,
Period.
yeah. And nowhere else.
Yeah.
I was debating, I was like, is it something big overseas or this is it?
This is where it's at right here.
The biggest one.
You can only attend one show, Slamology.
Is it that?
Anybody's fucking right up in this bitch.
Yeah, just go here and then you ain't gotta go nowhere the rest of the year.
Yeah,
you don't want to.
good, man.
Yeah. You can't see it all in one day, not even 2 really. Yeah. It's really too big.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.